Do you want to access your cloud files? Opening OneDrive is quick and simple on Windows. Let's get started. First of all, click on the Start button and type OneDrive into the search bar. Select the OneDrive app from the results. If prompted, sign in with a Microsoft account. Once logged in, the OneDrive cloud icon will appear in a taskbar. Since I already logged in, I don't need to enter the credentials, and the icon is right here. Click the icon to open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer, where you can view, edit, or sync files seamlessly. And that's it. Now you're ready to access and manage your OneDrive files from your Windows. If this video helped you, or if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.